Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Cash App application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to install any application for Android on your PC, you will need to install an Android emulator first. So open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bluestacks.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official BlueStacks website. Just click on the download button and this will download the installer for BlueStacks on your device. Once the installer is downloaded, open it up and click through the next buttons, which will install the BlueStacks emulator on your device. Once the emulator is installed, you can open it up and you will gain access into your Android home screen. From this page, tap on System Apps and then tap on Play Store. And now you will need to log in using your Google account first. Once you are logged in using your Google ID, tap on the search box at the top section and then simply type in and search for Cash App. Once you find the application, tap on it and you will see the install button, which you can tap on in order to install Cash App on your device right away. Once the download and installation has been completed, you will see the Cash App shortcut on your desktop as well. And now you can open this up in order to start using Cash App on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Cash App application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.